Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, the third puzzle in this puzzle page in the weekend edition of Saturday. Yes, Saturday, July the 29th, 2023, almost end of the month. In this puzzle page, we have 6 extra puzzles. 2 of them I've already solved, the 3-star Sudoku and the killer Sudoku. And yeah, I have here 4 puzzles left, but 2 of them I will solve. Otherwise, it's too much for me to solve them all. And the puzzle I will do is the binary puzzle now. It's a binary puzzle number 6832. Yeah, 32. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. And I've told you earlier it's a 10 by 10. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means that in a row or in a column, there's always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Let me see. Double one, here no, there no. And between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1's comes in O. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 1's comes in O. 3, 4. Between 2 1's comes in O. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 1's comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So that box should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 1's comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 1s in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Then. Come on. Well, still we have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, we have Then we still have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, need to wait. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. Yeah. How about here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And here then. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do I need to compare? Oh no, double 1, here no, there no, double O, here 1, there 1, double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so the rest are 1s, double 1, here no, there no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so the rest are 1s, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s, so the rest are O's. Double check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. Completed in 6 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle, the tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.